Taking the ball inside out with this style is a little bit trickier. Doing that is a little bit more difficult than if I were to use my tip down style. Second, and this just may be personal to me, but I feel like it's harder to hit off of a half volley. So if that ball is coming in and bouncing, because I'm kind of a little finicky with it, with opening the face, sometimes that half volley will tend to pop up. I personally feel more comfortable taking half volleys with a more tip down style. And then the third disadvantage, and maybe the most important one, is it's difficult to create any sort of deception from this style of dink. So if I'm going to hit a shot and you see my paddle like this, you know I basically have to dink that ball. There's no way I can speed that up. There's no way I can really do anything different than to just dink from that position.